Good morning, everyone. We are continuing the same topic of multiplication. All of you take out your maths course book, page number 49. Maths course book, page number 49. How many cars are there here? Four cars. How many cars? Four cars. For each car, how many wheels are there? Four wheels are there. So total number of wheels. Total number of wheels. How many cars? Four cars. For each car, how many wheels? Four wheels. So four fours are 16. Total wheels are 16. How many boxes are there in the next sum? How many boxes are there here? Six boxes are there. How many boxes? Six boxes. How many faces are there for each box? What is the shape here? It's a cuboid shape. Cuboid having six faces. Cuboid having six faces. So total number of faces 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. How many teams are there here? Two teams. How many teams? Two teams. How many players are there in the each team? There are seven players. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many players are there in each team? Seven. So total number of players. There are two teams. Each team having seven players. So total players are 14. How many trays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many trays are there? 5 trays are there. How many eggs are there in each tray? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many eggs are there? 8 eggs are there. Total eggs. How many trays? 5 trays. Each tray having 8 eggs. So total 8 eggs are 40. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. See here, how many sweets boxes are there here? 3. In each box having how many sweets here? 12. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many sweets are there? 12 sweets are there. How many boxes? 3 boxes. Total sweets. How many boxes? 3 boxes. Each box having 12 sweets. So total sweets are 36. How many sweets are there? 36 sweets are there. Number of pencil boxes. Number of pencil boxes are 2. Number of pencils are in each box. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many pencils are there? 11 pencils are there. So total pencils 2 into 11. 2 11s are 22. 2 11s are 22. All of you turn the page. See the first one here. Multiply and write the answer. It is a two-digit number and it is a single-digit number. Whenever they ask you to multiply two-digit number with a single number, you have to start multiplying with a ones place and ends with tens place. Two-digit means ones and tens. Two-digit having ones place and a tens place. See here, 4 12. 4 threes are 12. 2 here. 1 carry out. 2 fours are or 4 twos are. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 9. 6 fours are 24. 4 here. 2 carry out. 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32. వన్స్ ప్లేస్ ఫస్ట్ ఈ నెంబర్ని వన్స్ ప్లేస్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి టెన్స్ ప్లేస్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. వన్స్ అండ్ టెన్స్. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So 42 into 2 is 84. 15 into 4. 15 into 4. First with ones and again with tens. 4 5s are 20. 0 here. 2 carry out. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. 25 into 1. 25 into 1. 25 ones are 25. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. So 25 into 1 is 25. See here, it is a 3-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. Same here, ones, tens and hundreds. First with ones place, again with tens and again with hundreds. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. See the next one again from ones place, tens place and hundreds. 7 6 are 42. 2 here, 4 carry out on the tens place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 32. 2 down here, 3 carry out to hundreds place. 7 ones are 7 plus 3. 7 ones are 7 plus 3. 10. See the next one. 513 into 4. 513 into 4. First with ones place. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 1 carry out. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. See the next one. 401 into 3. 401 into 3. First we have to multiply with ones place, tens place and hundreds. 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fours are 12. 2 is in the hundreds place, 1 into thousands place. 253 into 6, 253 into 6. First with ones place, tens place and hundreds place. 6 threes are 18, 6 threes are 18. So 1 carry out to tens place. 6 fives are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So 1 in the tens place, 3 to 100, 3 is carry out to hundreds place. 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 12 plus 3 is 15. 253 into 6. Again I am saying the same sum. 6 threes are 18. 1 carry out to tens place. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So 1 in the tens place. 3 carry outs to hundreds place. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 12 plus 3 is 15. All of you take out your maths workbook, page number 30. Maths workbook, page number 30. See the first one, 27 into 3. Double digit number with single digit. Double digit number with single digit. So see here, 27 into 3. 27 into 3. We have to multiply the number. 3 sevens are 21. 1 in the ones place, 2 carry out to tens place. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 48 into 5. 48 into 5. First with the multiplication with ones place and again with tens place. 5 eights are 40. 4 carry out 0 here. 5 fours are 20 plus 4, 24. 39 into 7. 39 into 7. First ones place, again tens place. 9 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. 3 here. 6 carry out to tens place. 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6, 27. Again see here, 57 into 6. 7 with a 6. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 4 here, 2 carry out. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30 plus 4, 34. 19 into 8. 19 into 8. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. 7 carry out to tens place. 2 write it in a ones place. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. 23 into 4. 23 into 4. See here, 4 threes are 12. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 64 into 2. 64 into 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 sixes are 12. See the last one. 81 into 9. 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. 9 eights are 72. So 81 into 9 is 729. 729. All of you see in the next page, page number 31. See here, you have to multiply these numbers. You have to multiply with this number, with these numbers. 3 twos are, or 2 threes are. 3 twos are, or 2 threes are. 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. When it becomes 30 in 3 table, 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. When we multiply 3 with 10, it becomes 30. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. See the next one. 10 table. In when the 10 becomes 80 in 10, when we multiply 10 with 8, it becomes 80. 10 eights are 80, 10 eights are 80. 10 sevens are 70, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fives are 50, 10 fours are 40. See the next one. When we get a 6 in 2 table, when we get 6 in the 2 table, 2 threes are 6. When we get 18 in the 2 table, 2, when we multiply 9 with 2, it becomes 18. 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2. When it becomes 14 in 7, when we multiply 2 with 7, it answer is 14. 2 eights are 16, 2 fives are 10. And again the next one. 5 threes are, when 5 is multiplied with 3, it becomes 15. When 5 multiplied with 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 tens are 50. 5 fours are, when 5 multiplied with 4, the answer is 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 nines are 45, 5 six are 30. See the next one. 7 threes are 21, 7 tens are 70, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 eights are 56. 4 table. 4 twos are 8. When the answer we get a 36 in 4 table, all of you read the 4 table. When the answer 36 will come in the 4 table. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. 4 eights are 32. 4 fours are 16. 4 threes are 12. 4 six are 24. See the next one. When you got 2 table, 12 table, 13 table, you can write all those. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. It is all the 12 table here. See the next one. It is a 13 table. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. And again it's 15 table. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. All of you take out your maths activity book, page number 35. Puzzles are there, see. Puzzle box is there, see. 24 into 8, 24 into 8. See here I am writing here 24 into 8. 4 8 fours are 8 fours are 32. 2 here, 3 carry out. 8 twos are 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 3 19. So 24 into 8 is 192. 192. See the next one. When we get 410, 82, when uh, when the 82 is multiplied and the answer is 410, it is 5. For example, see here I am multiplying again here 82 into 5. 2 5 twos are 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, 1 carry out. 5 eights are 40 plus 1, 41. 41. So 82 into 5 is 410. When the number 63 is multiplied with 8, 63 into 8, 3, 63 into 8, 8 threes are, 8 threes are 24, 4, 2 carry out, 8 six are, 8 six are 48 plus 2, 50. So 63 into 8 is 504. For today's home task is these sums and read 11 to 15 tables.